Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the euro dollar monthly, I still think this is either going to go up and make a running flat wave C or possibly an expanding wave C. Either way, I think we're going to lead to a pretty big uptrend, so not too big of a deal to know the difference as of yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this weekly time frame is so very clear that this is an uptrend, most likely a wave 1. I still think this is a WXY, most likely a wave 2, and then I think this is a 1, 2, and 3. If this is a 1, 2, and 3, then on the higher time frames like the weekly and daily, it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think we got a nice 5 ways up right here, and then I think we have an expanding ABC correction, like an expanding flat for a wave 2. And I think most likely we are in a wave 3 right now. We're not at a fib level. We don't have a lower high. We definitely don't have a break of structure. I would definitely expect to see more movement to the upside. I do believe this daily time frame will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we are in a little bit of a pullback right now, and it definitely is a little consolidated right here, like it is getting ready to go, make a bigger move down or a bigger move up. We got our Fibonacci retracement on just the last wave up right here. If it does make a nice proper ABC correction, which the market makes a lot of ABC three-way pullbacks, down to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then gives us an impulsive engulfing move to the upside, that's exactly what I would be looking for another entry to go long for the continuation of this wave 3. Taking it to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we got our Fibonacci retracement set up right here. Definitely looks like it's kind of consolidated, like it's in a pullback right now. I mean, it definitely has spent a few days in this one area right here. I think if it does, which it really doesn't have to, I mean, it easily could just keep on trending up because wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, and I do believe we are in a wave 3. But if it is going to make a bigger pullback, then most likely this would be a wave A, and this would probably be something like a wave B. Then we would probably get another push down, maybe all the way down to these lows right here. Maybe the 61.8 would be the most likely place for us to see the end of a wave C. So if we do see a three-way pullback like this, if we do see a nice and positive engulfing move to the upside at a fib level, that's exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I always say, the trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely up on basically every single higher time frame, and most likely we're in a wave 3 of wave C, either an expanding flat wave C or a running flat wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, FX Pip Collector, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.